Hey, what's up guys? Welcome out to Tinker's Outdoors. Today is Friday the 13th. So that means that we're gonna have some very spooky stuff going on. Some crazy monster fish coming out of the shadows. Also, it's flooded at this river. And also, it's a full moon tonight. That's gonna be some scary stuff going on here today. So I'm here with another one of my friends. What is your YouTube channel, man?
Fish Meat for Dinner.
This guy's YouTube channel is Fish Meat for Dinner. We'll put a link in the description of his channel. You can go check his video out of the same day, but you know, from a different perspective. That'd be pretty cool. All right, well, let's get into it because I want to go fishing. All right, I gotta see if I can actually fish. This is like a freaking wake right here.
Yeah, there's something there.
Down there? Well, that's moving quite fast. That's really fast. Oh, I caught something for sure. You were right, kid. It's a bass.
Can I have it?
I mean, I don't see why not. Never mind. You can't have it. Oh, it is?
I think it just stuck down in here.
I'm stuck here.
Yeah.
Can you help rescue my fish, bud? Alright, so now we're walking over. We're gonna check, kind of find where Max is right now. There he is. We got the bass up and then he like shook himself off a little bit and dropped back down the water.
I thought that northern on a wonka log.
Alright. This kid named Levi back there he kept warning me not to fall in. It was kind of creepy since it's Friday the 13th. See, look guys, Max can catch a fish too.
Oh, he's got like a dent in him.
Yeah, there's probably like a 20-pound bass that ate him. What the hell? What the hell? Did I catch someone's line? That's stupid. Alright, I caught some fishing line. Do I get a surprise? It's definitely braid. Oh, there might be something good on here. Let's see if it's still attached. Yes! Bro! Oh. It's broken. But still a popping frog. That's a sweet find. Is this one of those Strike King popping frogs? Wow, that's a long, look at those legs, those are long. Well shoot, this guy is so cool, I think it's unusable, but definitely gonna save it. So a little update guys, we have moved locations spot change to a creek that actually feeds into where we were fishing, and
like 2 centimeters.
like 2 centimeters. Okay.
It's about this wide.
Yeah. So Max has given me a bambito bug to try. So we're gonna catch a fish on that and show him that it actually does work.
Yep.
And he's gonna be jealous that he owns them now.
I have doubts about it. You know, I've never caught fish on it, so we'll see if we can get her done.
All right, I can do that for sure. Let's get into it, guys. Let's keep fishing. Stuck. Oh god.
Oh yeah.
That looks like a bambito bug now.
Well, that was kind of a durability test.
If there's anything by that.
What's up?
It's Dan.
Catching any?
Hey Dan, I saw you on YouTube.
Yeah.
You want to be in my video right now?
I'm not catching a damn thing right now.
I was up by the Stark Dam, and I caught probably like a 24-inch northern,
Yeah?
and then I caught maybe like a 2-pound.
I'm having a hard time figuring them out today. I've been throwing black and blue stuff, chatterbaits, you know, noisy stuff for fast.
Did you get a new rod or?
Yeah, same rod I had.
You see the full moon? It's the full moon on Friday the 13th at night. And we're trying to catch a big bass. Alright, tank fans, we made it off the lake. We didn't really catch too much, but we caught some cool things and had a pretty good time on Friday the 13th at night in the full moon.
And we got to meet Dan.
And we got to meet Dan. Alright, if you want to see Dan again, go to this guy's channel.
Fish meat for dinner.
Fish Meat for Dinner. And if you want to see more of my videos, obviously subscribe, like it, and share the videos. So we'll see you next time on the next Tankers Outdoors.
Peace too.